Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Canva that many people overlook, how to view and manage layers in your designs. If you've ever struggled with selecting the right element or organizing complex projects, this tip will save you a ton of time. So first, open any design in Canva. Click on the element you want to work with and look at the top toolbar. You'll see a button labeled Position. Go ahead and click that. Now, on the left side, a panel will slide in. Here, select the Layers tab, and just like that, you can see all the layers on your current page. This panel makes it super easy to identify which element is on top, which is behind, and quickly reorder them if needed. But that's not the only way. You can also right-click on any element and hover over the layer option. It gives you some quick choices like bringing something forward or sending it backward. Still, the dedicated layers panel is your best friend when you're working with multiple elements. It keeps everything organized and gives you full control over your design. Once you start using this, managing complex Canva projects becomes a breeze. No more struggling to select elements hidden behind others or guessing which object is on top. You'll always know exactly where everything is and can move things around effortlessly. And that's it. A quick, simple way to view and manage layers in Canva. Give it a try in your next design and watch how much smoother your workflow becomes.